Have you ever wondered if AI will take over the world? Or perhaps you've heard that AI is always objective and unbiased? Welcome back to the AI Waves channel, your go-to source for all things artificial intelligence. I'm your host, Maurice, and today we're diving into part 4 of our series, Common Myths About AI Debunked. Before we get started, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and leave a comment below sharing your thoughts or experiences with AI myths. We love hearing from our community and fostering engaging discussions. In our previous videos, we explored the fundamentals of AI, compared it to human intelligence, and discussed the ethical considerations surrounding this transformative technology. Today, we're tackling a crucial topic, the myths and misconceptions that often cloud our understanding of AI. By debunking these myths, we can develop a more accurate and nuanced perspective on AI's capabilities, limitations, and potential impact on our lives. Let's set the record straight. In today's episode, we're venturing into the world of artificial intelligence, specifically debunking some of the most common myths that surround this transformative technology. We'll tackle myths such as AI replacing humans, the assumption of AI's absolute objectivity, and the belief that AI can think just like us. We'll also address the notion that AI will magically solve all our problems, and the misconception that AI is only relevant for tech companies and programmers. By dispelling these myths, we aim to provide a more accurate and nuanced understanding of AI, its capabilities, and its limits. So buckle up and get ready for a fascinating journey into the reality of AI. Stay tuned as we break down these myths and reveal the reality of AI. First on our list is the myth that AI will replace humans. Now, this is a myth that's been around for quite some time. It's the stuff of dystopian movies and sensational headlines. The idea that one day, machines will rise and humans will become obsolete. But let's take a step back and consider what AI is really about. AI, or artificial intelligence, is designed to do one thing incredibly well: perform specific tasks. These tasks could range from recognizing patterns in data, providing recommendations based on user preferences, to automating repetitive tasks. Yes, AI can do these tasks quicker and more accurately than a human might. But it does not mean AI can replace the complex, multifaceted capabilities of a human being. You see, AI lacks general intelligence. It's excellent when it comes to performing tasks it's been programmed to do. But ask it to do something outside its programming, and it's stumped. It doesn't have the ability to think creatively, solve novel problems, or understand emotions, all things that are second nature to humans. Moreover, AI doesn't possess the ability to understand context like humans do. While AI can analyze data and provide output, it doesn't understand why it's doing what it's doing. It doesn't have a sense of purpose, emotions, or consciousness. So while AI can assist us in many ways, it's not here to replace us. It's here to augment our abilities to take up the repetitive, mundane tasks so we can focus on the creative, strategic, and empathetic aspects of our work that machines can't replicate. In essence, AI is a tool, a powerful, transformative tool that can change the way we live and work, but still a tool. It's designed to work under human guidance and complement human intelligence. It's not about humans versus machines, but humans and machines working together. So rest easy. AI is not here to replace us, but rather to work alongside us. The future isn't about choosing between humans and machines, but finding the best ways for both to coexist and collaborate. The second myth we're tackling is the belief that AI is always objective and unbiased. Now, it's easy to fall into the trap of thinking that machines, being devoid of human emotions and prejudices, would naturally be impartial. But here's a newsflash. AI can be biased too. In fact, it can even amplify existing biases. How? Well, let's break it down. AI systems learn from data, lots of data. They're trained on this data to recognize patterns, make predictions, or perform tasks. But here's the catch. If the data they're trained on is biased, the AI system will be too. It's like the old computer science adage goes, garbage in, garbage out. For instance, if an AI system is trained on hiring data from a company that has historically favored one group of people over another, the AI might learn to replicate that bias. It might start screening out perfectly qualified candidates simply because they don't fit the skewed profile it has learned from the data. And it's not just the data. The design of the AI system itself can introduce bias. The people who create these systems, data scientists, engineers, and others, are human after all. They have their own biases, conscious or unconscious, which can inadvertently seep into the algorithms they create. So what's the solution? We need diversity and inclusivity in AI. Diversity in the data that's used to train AI, ensuring it represents a wide range of experiences and perspectives. Diversity in the teams that build and oversee these systems, bringing different viewpoints to the table. And we need vigilance, ongoing monitoring and tweaking to spot and correct biases that may arise. To sum it up, AI is not inherently objective or unbiased. It reflects the data it's trained on and the design choices made by its human creators. But by acknowledging this, we can work towards creating AI systems that are more fair and equitable. Remember, AI is only as unbiased as its design and the data it's built on. Myths 3 and 4 hold that AI can think like humans, and that it will solve all our problems. Let's start with the third myth. AI's learning process is fundamentally different from human learning. Where humans learn through experience, intuition, and abstract reasoning, AI learns through extensive training on specific datasets and algorithms. It's a process of pattern recognition and optimization, not a complex cognitive process. AI doesn't daydream or get struck by a sudden eureka moment in the shower. It doesn't have feelings or intuitions, and it doesn't understand the world in the same way we do. So while AI is incredibly good at crunching numbers and spotting patterns, it doesn't think or learn like a human. Now onto the fourth myth. AI will solve all our problems. If only it were that simple. AI is a tool, a powerful one, yes, but still just a tool. It's not a magic wand that we can wave to make our problems disappear. Developing effective AI systems requires careful planning, high-quality data, and ongoing refinement. And even then, AI can only do what it's been trained to do. It doesn't possess the creativity or adaptability of a human mind. Moreover, the use of AI should always be in conjunction with human judgment and expertise. For example, an AI might be able to diagnose a disease with high accuracy, but a human doctor is still needed to consider the patient's overall health, lifestyle, and personal circumstances to decide on the best course of treatment. Or consider a self-driving car. The AI can navigate the roads, but human oversight is still necessary for unforeseen situations. In conclusion, while AI can certainly help us address many challenges, it's not a one-size-fits-all solution. It's important to have realistic expectations about what AI can and cannot do. AI is a powerful tool, but it's not a replacement for human intelligence or a fix-all solution. The last myth we're debunking today is that AI is only relevant for tech companies and programmers. This belief is widespread, but it couldn't be further from the truth. Artificial intelligence is transforming industries across the spectrum, not just the realm of technology. Let's consider healthcare, for instance. AI is revolutionizing this sector by helping doctors to diagnose diseases more accurately and efficiently. It's being used to analyze medical images, predict patient outcomes, and even assist in surgeries, but it doesn't stop there. In finance, AI is used to detect fraudulent transactions, manage investments, and personalize customer service. Transportation is another field where AI is making significant strides. Self-driving cars, intelligent traffic management systems, and predictive maintenance in aviation are just a few examples of how AI is reshaping the way we move. What about the entertainment industry? From personalized movie recommendations on streaming platforms to AI-generated music and art, artificial intelligence is enhancing our leisure time in ways we never thought possible. And let's not forget about education. AI is being used to personalize learning, automate grading, and even identify students who may need extra help. These are just a few examples. The reality is, no matter what industry you're in, AI is likely playing a role, or it will soon. And this brings us to a crucial point: the importance of AI literacy. As AI becomes more integrated into our daily lives, it's vital for everyone, not just tech professionals, to have a basic understanding of what AI is, how it works, and how it can impact their personal and professional lives. AI literacy doesn't mean you have to become an expert coder or data scientist. It's about understanding the basics, asking the right questions, and thinking critically about the information and tools we interact with every day. It's an essential skill for navigating the 21st century, much like reading or writing was in the past. As you can see, AI is not just for techies. It's transforming our world, and it's important for everyone to understand how. Now that we've debunked these common AI myths, let's quickly recap. We clarified that AI is designed to aid, not replace us. It's a tool that leverages our strengths, not a threat to our existence. We also highlighted that AI, despite its sophistication, is not inherently objective. It can and does reflect the biases present in its training data or in the assumptions of its creators. Moreover, we emphasized that AI's learning process is fundamentally different from ours. It's a statistical model-based system, not a cognitive one. And while it's a potent tool for solving complex challenges, it's not a magic solution. It requires careful planning, high-quality data, and continuous refining. Lastly, we underscored that AI is not exclusive to tech companies. It's transforming industries across the board and becoming an essential literacy for everyone. Thanks for joining us on this myth-busting journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Stay curious, stay informed, and stay tuned for our next video on AI Waves.